Alright, getting ready to put the third member in here in the diff. Got my silicone bead around, just like the legendary Ron from Ron's Lorenz taught me back in the day. Rest his soul. Anyway, so we got our silicone. We're gonna let that set up a minute, and then I always put on the bolts, or if it was a 4/9 inch on the studs, a little bit of silicone on the threads for stuff that's going to be under oil so it doesn't seep. Old school. It's the only way to go. Alright, third member is in. All the hardware. Nicely sealed. On to the next step. Just blasted and painted our rear sway bar. Gonna give it some clear coat here in a minute. Install. I got our rear bar mounted up. Don't have the bolts through here yet. I actually need a couple more rubbers, but looking good. Got our rear bump stop in. Got our sway bar mounted up on the top. Do need a couple more of these bushings here to finish up, but we have that sort of mocked. Next step's gonna be put the axles in. Moving along at first order of business. The inner seal. Got our seal driver. Get that baby in. Axles are in. Both axles in the diff. Put some oil in there. We'll be good to go. Beautiful. Passenger side front suspension and steering assembled. Got our new stuff in here. Little thrust washers. Once we grease this, tighten everything up. Be golden, boys and girls. We'll go do the driver's side now. Got all of our steering, got our spindles all tight and in, and dialed in. We're gonna put our brake backing plates on. Then finished up so we can bolt them. And then start doing our wheel bearings. Driver's side backing plate done. Passenger side backing plate next.